Scorpio Nations, welcome back again to my channel and to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Crosswatchers are also welcome. This is not your personal reading, guys, so please take what resonates and don't manifest the energy of others. This is not for all Scorpios. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. If this is not your story and your energy, just leave it, okay? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine spirits, divine ancestors. Give me that accurate and reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. If it will not happen directly to you guys, the energy could be happening to the people around you. In your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors or in the society where you belong. Let me see your high energy, intense, magnetic, sexy, and powerful reading for today. Because you are sexy, intense, magnetic, and powerful. Thank you, Nicole. First, we have potential. Somebody here perceive you that you have lots of potential. This is related to your energy, that you can create a great things to become a successful person. This could also be a person who perceive that both of you have a potential to become partner, to become, lover, investment. Not necessary. A lover could also be an investment. Somebody who wants to invest with you, or this person perceive that you are the divine counterpart. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Let me see. What are the signs involved in this situation? We have, could be a Scorpio. Could also that this person, is in your family, or they wants to have a family with you. You look, could also be your past life family, past life connection. Somebody here wants to return, to apologize, and if possible, to reconcile with you. And it's up to you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I don't know your whole story. Forgiveness is important here. Not because they deserve it, but because of your inner peace and blessings. Could be a Scorpio. Could also be any other sign. Could also be a water sign. There could be a significant meaning for you, the number 66066. I told you. They perceive you that both of you having a potential to be a partner or to invest. You have a potential to be their partner, to build a family with you. Somebody could also be experiencing a childhood trauma. I told you, this could also be your past life connection. And they are wishing that they can patch up this situationship together. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio could also be any other sign. A water sign is involved here. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Number 66066 is significant on this reading. A Virgo is involved here. June is significant on this reading as well. 6 plus 6 is 12. Pisces is also involved. Let me see. Your challenge in this reading is Entspannung. You look, this is relaxation. Somebody have perceived you that you are always relaxing. You are always enjoying your life. And there are people who are envy and jealous on you. One of this person, a group of people are in your family. That's why they wants to return, they wants to tell you that they're going to support you, because I feel like this person, a group of people, needs your support. These are the same people who are not supporting you. I told you. And they perceive that you are selfish, you are always enjoying your life, you are no longer supporting them because you have done your support to this person or group of people. I told you. Now they want to tell you, Scorpio, I'm sorry. They're going to apologize with you because they want to be the part of your enjoyment, of your, I mean, they wants to be the part of your life, of your manifestations. And this is your challenge. Or this person doesn't want you to work because they wants to enjoy their lives with you. This could also be your past life family or past life connection. Take what's resonates because everyone is different. Let me see why and spanong here. Why enjoyment and relaxation, heart, please? It is clarified as, oh my gosh, they are jealous and envy. You look the devil. A Capricorn is involved or a person who is toxic, manipulated, narcissist. These are the same people who perceive you that you are drug addict, that you are a devil. This could also be a person who wants to put you in a third party situation and you said, no, not today, Satan, not forever. I told you. Now, you are relaxing. They are jealous and envy on you. Could also that this is in your workplace, in your neighboring area, in your family. Could also be your friends group or in the society. These are the people who tried to control you for whatever reason because of jealousy and envy. They wants to control your path. They tried to throw you under the bus. They engage you to witchcraft, to the coven. By all means, because they want you to look like crazy. I told you, for some of these people, they are laughing at you. Now, they are the one who is experiencing this. They are mad, jealous, and angry because they couldn't control you. They are losing the power to control you now that you are relaxing. Because in the past, they want to control you. They labeled you as a devil because you are relaxing, you are enjoying your life. Oh my gosh, go and hell yourself. Somebody had tried to control you. They are doing witchcraft on you. They tried to throw you under the bus by all means. For whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. Now they are mad because the more they did this to you, the more the energy it backfires on them. They are the one who is experiencing this while you are relaxing and enjoying your life. They are more mad, jealous and angry. But they couldn't stop stalking you if you have platform in social media, if not outside your home. These are the people who perceive that they hated you. But they are stalking you like a hawk 24/7. This could also be a new person. These are the person who is obsessed on you because you are always enjoying your life. They are mad. I told you. Or you are dealing with a person who is narcissist, toxic. This could also be your ex who engaged you to a third party situation. And now you are enjoying your life. You are relaxing. They are jealous and envy. Because they believe that the time they left you, you are done. If this is your ex, they're still trying to control you. They're still adoring and obsessed on you. For some of these people, guys, this could also be your stalkers in the net if you have platform in social media. I told you, the rest of these people, they have everything, but they are insatiable. Or somebody is money hungry, power hungry, and they wants to control you. Or this person perceive you that you only married for money, you only marrying for money, or somebody have painted an illusion on you that the nature of your job is to hack other people, like you are a homewrecker, that you are sleeping with different partner, in order for you to support your luxurious life. I told you. You are relaxing and they are mad. This could also be your co-workers, especially if you are no longer in this workplace. Because they wants to control you. They wants to look you like crazy. They are laughing on you. Now they are the one who looks like crazy and mad because they are losing the power to control you. They are jealous. Could also be your neighbors. They are jealous because you have lots of relaxation, And they perceive you that you sold your soul to the devil. Oh my gosh, go and hell yourself. A Capricorn or a person who is toxic narcissist is involved in the situation. They are more mad and jealous because you are enjoying your life. But you don't care. Whoever you are, if I were you, go and hell yourself. For some of these people, guys, they send negative energy on you. Protect your energy. Because there are people who is always minding the business of other people. They couldn't mind their own business because these are the low vibrational spirits. I told you. These are the people who engage you to a coven or the other coven who did this to you. And they have seen that you are enjoying and relaxing. For some of you, it could also be that you have lots of troubles. They couldn't handle it. They're mad and angry because you are no longer entertaining them. This could also be your family who wants to return because of power hungry, money hungry. They couldn't control you. You are no longer entertaining them. You are no longer supporting them. They are mad, jealous, because these are the people I told you that they want you to work and to support them. I told you they are despicable. You look, or somebody here scam your money, and no matter how they tried to scam your money, you're still come out. You are still enjoying your life. That's why they are mad and angry. A Capricorn is involved here, or somebody who needs your support, and they perceive you that you are selfish because you are no longer entertaining and supporting them. These are the people who are only using and abusing you. I told you, a minimum of 6 years. Oh my gosh, go and hell yourself. Somebody could also be wishing you, that you are, I mean, you will use your money in a wrong way. Somebody accusing you that you are, you are taking drugs, alcohol, that you are having an excessive party, chasing thrills. Now they are the one who's experiencing this. Somebody could also be prolonging an addiction, drug addiction, alcohol addiction, or sex obsession. I told you. You are no longer entertaining a devil. You said, no, Satan, not today, not forever. That's why they are mad. And you're still relaxing your life. I told you. A Capricorn or a person who is toxic, narcissist is involved. It could also be any other sign. A water sign is involved here as well. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You don't care. They are mad. Or they are obsessed on how to destroy you and or to control you. But they have no power because you are no longer entertaining the devil. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. Your outside influence is open height. They are wishing that you are going to be open. They are wishing that you are going to be open, to be vulnerable to them. Because these are the same people who used and abused you in the past. Who tried to control you. Now that you are no longer entertaining and supporting them, they pissed. They doesn't want you to enjoy your life. They want you to support them. For some of these people, especially if these are in your family. Oh my gosh, go and hell yourself. You are so despicable. Now they want you to be open to them. Oh my gosh. After all that you have done to me and my collectives, no way. You are no longer entertaining the devil. Somebody who could also wants to put you in a third party situation and you decline. Could also this is your ex or put you in a third party situation who believe that you are finished. Now you are enjoying your life. They are so mad, angry, and jealous on you. But they're still obsessing you. Oh my gosh, go and hell yourself. Why open height in this reading, please? Why open height in this reading? Please tell me more about open height. It is clarified as I told you. You are no longer giving or extending your hands or shaking your hands to this person or group of people who disrespect you, who betrayed you, who backstab you, who spread lies and rumors about you. You give them a cold shoulder and they perceive you that you are mean, cold and detached. They perceive that you said that you are better than them. You never said that. They are the one in the past who said that they are better than you. Now the table turns. They are obsessed on you. They couldn't stop stalking you. They are jealous, mad, and angry. An Aquarius is involved here. Or this person is a new person. This person is obsessed on you. But there could be a control issues here. They want you to be open to them because they want to talk with you. They perceive you as a cold-hearted person because of your painful experience in the past. You are not a cold-hearted person. You have learned your lesson. The universe advises you to stand with the truth because the truth wouldn't mislead you. The truth will set you free and the truth will always prevail. I told you. That's why they are mad because you are no longer entertaining them. You cut them up out of your life. You stand with your higher self. You knew the truth. You are not scared to cut off the ties of some people. You are not scared to tell the truth. And that's why they are mad, jealous, and envy on you. I told you, these are the same people who wants to shut you up because they're triggered with the truth. And they perceive you, they painted you as a devil. Because these are the people who couldn't control you. You could be a spiritual warrior or an earth angel. And that's why you come across with this person or group of people. Can you imagine? These are the people who are breaking control. And now they wants to talk with you. They are hoping that you are going to be open to them. And Aquarius is involved. Could also be Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. Let me see. The other past situation is Reinhardt. You are advised to detoxify the negative energy which was sent with this person or group of people. You look the devil. Abracadabra, they're still doing this to you. For some of you guys, they knew that you are innocent, but out of jealousy and envy, they did this to you. You look, they wants to control you, they want to shut you up. Good luck, whoever you are. That's why this person or group of people are now having, could be a body pain. They are sick. They looks like paranoia for doing this abracadabra over and over again. And they will twist the story that you are the devil. You are not the devil. You are a chosen one or a spiritual warrior. I am reading with Scorpio is on the right path because there is a Scorpio involved here who is involved as well with this mockery, who is also mad, jealous, and envy on you because you are enjoying your freedom. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. Detoxify the negative energy which was sent to this person and group of people. For some of these people, guys, they wants to block your throat chakra like me, what I have experienced, your crown chakra, your seventh chakra, because it doesn't want you to tap in with your spirituality. Go and heal yourself. Shame on you. You are so despicable. Why Reinhardt in this reading, please? Justice. You are going to, or they are now under judgment for coming against you. They are now facing the karma. But they're still doing this. That's why they look like paranoia. Crazy. And in the end, they will twist the story that you are the devil. You are the one who did this. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. Justice is being served here. Whether they like it or not. This is the truth. Let me see. The current situation here is Hoheri Wayan. A person who belongs to, could be a higher group. This is in the society. Could also be an elite person or a person who belongs to a religious organization. I don't know what this is all about. This is the current situation. These are the same people who tried to control you, who are mad, jealous, and envy on you because you are enjoying your freedom. You are the karma bringer to this person or group of people. They are now receiving the karma for what they have done on you. That's why they wants to talk with you. I told you, but they couldn't talk you because you give them a cold shoulder. You look, they are wishing you are going to be open to them. Be very careful because there could be a control issue, so they are mad. Could also be an elite group of people, a person as an authority. This could also be like a religious organization. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. Clarify me, Father, why the Hoheri Wayan hell? It is clarified as 9 of Staves. I told you, because you stand in your integrity. They are now being exposed because the justice is here. These are the people who wants to silence you, wants to control you because they doesn't want you to tell the truth or they doesn't want to be exposed. Could also be a person who has an authority, a person who belongs to an elite group of people or a person who belongs to a religious group. Oh my gosh. For some of these people, guys, they are hiding with their religion. They want to show to the public to maintain their status. We are righteous. We are. These are the people who are hypocrites. I told you. And you stand in your integrity. They doesn't want you to stand in your integrity. They wants you to be weak. These are the people who cause too much burdens in your mind and in your heart. You are tired, but you are resilient because you stand in your integrity. That's why they are mad, they are jealous and envy on you. Because they couldn't shut you up. You're still continuing your work even though you are tired. This is the current situation because they doesn't want you to stand in your integrity. The universe advises you to detoxify the negative energy which you send to this person or group of people and always meditate and pray. Because there are people who wants you to make weak. For some of these people, guys, they tried to block your work. I told you. They wants to control you. Nevertheless, the justice is here. Good luck, whoever you are. Stand in your integrity. As Sagittarius is involved here, there could be a significant meaning for your number 9, 90, 99. Please pay attention. 96, 69 is significant on this reading as well. I told you. This could also be a collaboration. A group of people who are in the religious organization or an elite group of people who cause too much burdens and pain in your mind and in your heart because they doesn't want you to stand in your integrity. You know why? Because they wants to control you. They wants to put you as a mistress. I told you. And since you give them a cold shoulder, you cut them out of your life, you stand in your integrity. I told you, they are now under judgment for coming against you. Whether they like it or not. Sorry, whoever you are. Let me see. The future here is Wandel. This is your change. They doesn't want you to change. I told you. Because they want you to be lustful to them, to engage with the devil, to be their mistress. Oh my gosh, go and hell yourself. No matter how they tried to hold you back, justice is here and stand in your integrity. You are more than enough. You are divinely protected here. You could be an archangel or a chosen one. Of course, not all of you. If you are tired, take a rest. They only wants to make you tired because they wants to control you. Because they are mad, jealous, and envy on you. Nevertheless, the change is here. There could be a significant meaning for your number 5, 50, 55. Please pay attention. 59, 95, 51, 15, 56, 65. Please pay attention. All these other group of people who are collaborating against you. They hate it that you change. You cut them up out of your life. You are no longer entertaining the devil. Because you are done. You are so tired. You feel like you are a wounded soldier. Nevertheless, as an earth angel, you are divinely protected and guided here. I told you. No matter how they tried to stop you, you are the chains. Scorpio. Aleo is involved here. May is significant on this reading. Let me see why the chains in this reading, please. They are so mad that you change. Oh my gosh. An empress. You could be an empress or an emperor. An empress or an emperor will not bow anybody else because you knew your worth. You knew what you can bring to the table. You have lots of ideas. You are pregnant of many ideas. You could also be pregnant and you're going to give birth to a newborn child. Congratulations. There could be a significant meaning for you about a motherhood, children. Please pay attention. Or somebody who needs your support. Could also be a mother and child. Take what's resonates because everyone is different. They don't like it that you change. Oh my gosh, whoever you are, sorry. Others of you guys, this is your energy because you are a person who is very abundant. And you manage to change your destiny. because you decline to engage with the devil. Somebody could also be promise you to become famous if you are going to engage them. If you are going to engage them as a mistress or a third party, and you said no, you knew what you can bring to the table. You changed your life because of your energy, because you have very abundance. You build a solid foundation in your life. You have a structure, and that's why they are obsessed, mad, jealous. That's all they can do. And that you change. You are no longer entertaining the backstabbers, the wishy-washy, because you knew what they have done on you. You have sent the truth of this person or group of people. They still wants to control you. They are mad. The more they try to control you, the more they are obsessed on you. For some of these people, they want you to be lustful to them. They are the one who is lustful on you now. Good luck backfiring. Let me see. Luck is in your favor. You are happy and luck is in your favor. I told you. And that's why they couldn't stand it. Oh my gosh. Let me see why the luck in this reading, please. It is clarified as, of course, the world. This is over. You have accomplishment. This is related to your accomplishment. The cycle is over because you have seen the truth of this person or group of people. You managed to transform, to evolve, to ascend into a higher frequency. This is related to your internal spiritual transformation. Yeah, look, you are happy. The world is watching you if you have platform in social media, and luck is in your favor. This is over. This is the complete integration of yourself and the world around you. You are not the same person before. Somebody who wants to be the part of your new beginning could be the perfect sign in the zodiac: Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, and Scorpio. I told you. They have seen that you are happy and luck is in your favor. Somebody could also be wants to travel towards a new, and or you will know this person through your platform. This could also be a recognition in the school. You're going to receive diploma, trophies, certificates, medals, awards. This is over, people. That's why they are mad, jealous, and envy on you, because they couldn't block you anymore. You don't need them in your life. I told you, that's why he wants to be the part of your new beginning. The world is over. Why the outside influence? What is the outside influence here? Gideon. You tried. You only not survive, but you tried. Oh my gosh. You see? That's why they are obsessed and jealous on you, no matter how they tried to label you as a devil. The justice is here. For most of you guys, you are innocent. They did this to you out of jealousy and envy. Now they are mad because you cut them off out of your life. You are no longer talking to them. They want you to, they want to make you tired. This could also be related to your work. Stand with your integrity, because these are the people who are despicable. Normally, these are the people who belongs to a religious group, or could also be a person who belongs to an elite. Good luck. You are more receiving your karma, people, whoever you are. Justice is here. This is your hopes and fears, Befrayum. You're already free from the matrix. You manage to free from the devil, from this person or group of people. Congratulations. Or somebody who wants to tell you the truth because they want to leverage their feelings towards on you, because they are now guilty, trying to control you. They are now facing spiritual or physical judgment. I told you. Let me see. The outcome here is lose lesson. The universe advises you to continue to let go with this person or group of people, because these are the people who tried to control you, to mark you down, who cause too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. Or they wants to talk with you because they wants to make free with their feelings, to let go. Or they are now forced to let you go because they are under judgment, physical and spiritual. lose lesson, or somebody, a person has an authority told them to let you go because you are a chosen one. Somebody is scared because they are not experiencing karma after karma, and the world is watching them. They are being exposed and elimination. The world is watching them. That's why somebody has said, let you go. Or you are advised to let them go. Don't give them another chance because somebody has still wants to control you. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Lost lesson is to let go. Why lost lesson in this reading, please? Why let go of this reading? I am using Deutsch. The players. Let go, lost lesson. You look. Let go of the players. For some of you, you did already. You are no longer entertaining with the players. Somebody here is, adoring you, but you are no longer entertaining with the players. You look, not today, Satan, not tomorrow, not forever. You already let go. Oh my gosh. Why the Befreiung here? Why somebody wants to liberate their feelings? The star, an Aquarius is involved, or a person is in the public eye. Somebody is feeling inspired by you. They're awakened, they're enlightened. There could be an exposure here after exposure of what they have done on you. Could also be a celebrity, a rock star, an artist, a singer, a model. They are lasting you, but you are no longer entertaining a player. That's why they are mad. You are a healer or a chosen one. Your light is shining bright. That's why they tried to throw you under the bus by all means. And it didn't work. Now you let them go because you are no longer entertaining a player. That's why they are mad, angry, but they are still obsessing you. They are being exposed in the public worldwide for what they have done on you. An Aquarius is involved, or a person who is in the public eye. You are an empress. You will not bow anybody else. And this person, a group of people now, are receiving their karma for coming against you. That's why you toxify yourself, because they're still sending negative energy on you. However you are, I will send back the negative energy to you 100 times. In the name of the Divine Most High. Amen. Stand in your integrity, because He wants you to be, tired. But you are divinely protected here. As a healer, I told you, this is over people. This is the world. Let go of this person or group of people. Especially the people in the past who mock you down. They are now mad and angry. They still wants to control you. I told you. A person who is in the public eye could also be celebrity, singer, rock star, artist, or an Aquarius. Could also that this is in your neighbor, in your friend circle, in your workplace, in your family, your ex, or in the community. Your light is shining bright. You don't need them, Scorpio. You don't need them to engage with the toxic person, because you are a healer. You are divinely protected and guided here at the end of the tunnel. I told you, balance is being restored, and somebody here wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. But the outcome is let go. It's up to you if you're going to accept them back in your life. Remember, your challenge here is the devil. Always listen to your intuition. They are now under judgment. This is over. Includes a person who involves in a religious organization or an elite group of people. These are the people who cause you too much burdens. And you are going to forgive them. You look, they tried to control you. They are now facing the karma, physical or spiritual. Detoxify yourself, because they don't like it that you are enjoying. You give them a cold shoulder. You are no longer talking to them. They wants to talk with you. They said that you are daring because you are free and Not only you survive, you thrive. They are wishing that you are going to be open to them, to talk with them. Be very careful because somebody here is still obsessing you. They are mad, angry because they couldn't they couldn't put you as a third party, a mistress. Oh my gosh. Go and hell yourself, whoever you are. But they're still doing abracadabra. Remember, always detoxify your energy. You are a healer. You are a chosen one. That's why they are triggered with your aura, with your frequency. You are the one who carried the mirror of this person or group of people's poor unhealed souls, and mirror never lies. You are the catalyst. Protect your energy and maintain the balance of your life. Forget this person or group of people. Let them go. Remember, they still wants to control you. They are obsessed. They are mad and angry because you are enjoying your life. You have freedom. They are not. That's why they wants to return, to apologize, and if possible to reconcile with you. You look, this could be in your family or past life connection. And it's up to you if you're going to give them back an access in your life. Remember, he wants to control you. There could be a control issue, sir. They are mad. If these are in your family, they are mad because he wants you to support them for the rest of your life. Your light is shining bright. Let your light shining bright. Shine like a diamond. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it's resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.